Hi, my lovely kids. How are you? Hope that you are all doing well. Okay. So, welcome to second class English Mary and the Mouse. I think you have completed the fifth page of the first lesson. Fill in the blanks with the names of animals: mouse, elephant, snake, monkey, squirrel, and peacock. Okay, you have completed. So let us go to the story of Mary and the mouse. Okay, Mary is playing with her friends Aslam, Harjit, and Millie. So you can see Mary here in blue dress. Okay. Mary's mother brings fruits and biscuits for them. When you go to your friend's house, their mother also bring you some snacks, right? Okay, you enjoy them. So here, what are they doing here? They are playing caroms. Okay, do you play caroms? It is an indoor game, right? No? In Corona period, it is better to play indoor games. Okay, then suddenly Mary sees a mouse near the plate of biscuits. Then here Harjit says, "It is your turn. It is your turn to strike the coin, Mary." But Mary is shouting there, "Help, help, help." "Why are you shouting?" said Aslam. "Why are you shouting?" What did Mary see there? Mary saw a small mouse. So she is afraid of that mouse and she shouts there, "Help, help, help." Mary jumps up and runs out. Her friends follow her. You can see her friends follow her. "Please help. Stop, Mary, stop," said Harjit. Now turn to 7th page. Now the friends are in the living room now. Okay. Mary is sitting with her feet up. Why does she sit feet up? Because she is afraid of the mouse. Let's go back to your room, Mary. Millie said, "Yes, let us go and play." Aslam also agreed. But Mary says, "I don't want to. Someone please help me. I don't want to play. I don't want to go to that room." What did she see there? Yes, mouse. Yes. Mary sees the mouse again. She gets off the chair and shouts, "What is wrong, Mary?" Aslam asked. "Look at her. Why is she shouting?" Mary is now standing on the bed. She jumped onto the bed. Now she is standing on the bed. Her mother comes in. "Why are you standing on the bed, Mary?" asked her mother. Mary is scared. Mary is scared. Mary is afraid of the little mouse. She does not want to play on the rug. Okay, on the rug means on the floor covering. She doesn't like to play because she is scared of scared of the mouse. Okay, scared. "Oh, the mouse. It must have come to taste your biscuits," mother said jokingly. "Oh, scared. Why should we be scared of this small animal like a mouse? It just came to taste your biscuits." Then turn to 8th page. When Mary looks again, the mouse is not there. The children are now cleaning up the room. You can see the mouse got scared of us. It is such a small animal. Actually, what is scared? The mouse was scared of the children. That is why it ran away. Now they are cleaning the room. So, here mother says, well done. She appreciated the children for cleaning and making the room very neat and clean. Then what does Harjit say? I like mice. Mice are nice. I like mice. Mice are nice. Okay, children. So don't be afraid of the mouse. Okay. If you are afraid of any small animals like mouse or squirrel or monkeys, please inform your parents or elders. Okay. So how is the story? Is it interesting? Okay. Now you can see Mary with a laughing face. So Mary is no longer scared of the mouse. She is laughing. Okay, children? You understood the lesson properly? Okay. Bye.